Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Valenzuela Live. I am John Kenneth Oribiana from Doña Ata Elementary School, your live streaming teacher for today. We are now on the second week of the third quarter. For today's objective, based from the most essential learning competencies, you should be describes and illustrates different angles, acute, right, and obtuse using models. Describe the attributes, properties of triangles and quadrilaterals using concrete objects or models. As we begin our discussion, may I remind you to prepare your module, pen and paper, and comment your complete name, school, grade, and section on the comment section below. To see if you still remember your past lessons, let's have an activity about lines. In this activity, you need to identify the parallel, perpendicular, and intersecting lines using a city grid. And now, look at the parallel town and answer the given question. Science Road is parallel to Mathematics Lane or Health Street. That's right. The answer is Mathematics Lane. Next. Science Road is perpendicular to English Street or Filipino Avenue. That's right. Science Road is perpendicular to English Street. Next. Science Road and ESP Street are blank roads. Parallel or perpendicular? That's good. The answer is perpendicular. Next, ESP Street is parallel to Mathematics Lane or English Street. That's right. ESP Street is parallel to English Street. Next, Mathematics Lane and Hill Place are blank roads. Intersecting or perpendicular? Very good. Mathematics Lane and Hill Place are intersecting roads. So now, using Mathematics Lane and Hill Place, what figure is formed? Very good. The answer is angle or angles. Angles, it is formed by two rays meeting with one common endpoint called vertex. We have three ways in naming an angle. One, by using the vertex. The vertex is the common endpoint of the two rays, and the vertex of this figure is B. Therefore, the name of the angle is angle B. Second, using three letters. 3 points of the angle. There are 3 points of the angle. The middle point is the vertex. Therefore, the name of the angle is angle ABC. And the third one is by using a number or small letter written within the opening of the angle. In this figure, We can name this angle as angle 1. Okay, what do you think is this instrument? Very good. This one is what we call protractor. Protractor is an instrument for measuring or constructing angles. The unit of measurement used is degree. There are kinds of angle according to measure. I have here the first angle, which is angle XYZ. Angle XYZ measures 90 degrees. Therefore, this angle is what we call a right angle. Right angle is an angle that measures exactly 90 degrees. Example of it is this picture frame or the edges of the picture frame. Next, angle JKO. Angle JKO measures 60 degrees. And this angle is named as an acute angle. An acute angle measures less than 90 degrees. Example of an acute is this the slice of a pizza. And the third one is angle RST. Angle RST measures 150 degrees. This is what we call an obtuse angle. An obtuse angle measures greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. An example of an obtuse is the hands of this clock. So now let's have an activity. Comment happy emoji if the angle is an acute angle, heart emoji if it is an obtuse angle, and haha emoji if it is a right angle. I'll give you 5 minutes to comment your answer. The first object is a blackboard. So let's find out the angle of the edges of this blackboard. The answer is haha emoji. It means the edges of this blackboard is a right angle. Next, a cone. So what do you think is the angle formed on the bottom of this cone? Very good. It is a happy emoji. Therefore, this cone is an acute angle. Next, this fan. What angle formed in this fan? Okay, the answer is heart emoji. It means we form an obtuse angle. Next, a window. The edges of this window. It is very good. It is haha emoji. It means it forms a 90 degree angle, therefore it is a right angle. And last, these ships. Okay, very good. The answer is happy emoji. It means that the angle you see in this shape is an acute angle. Aside from acute angle, what figure do you see in this shape? Very good. It is a triangle. A triangle, it is a closed figure with 3 sides, 3 angles, and 3 vertices. So we can name this triangle using the vertices. So the name of this triangle is triangle ABC. Did you know that the sum of two sides of the triangle is always greater than the third side? Let's check. Let's check. I have here 7 inches ball pen, 6 inches pencil, and 4 inches crayon. To know if we can make a triangle using these objects, let's get the sum of the two sides of the triangle and compare it to the third side. And this is the table. So the sum of the two sides, which are 7 and 6, is 13. And obviously, it is greater than the third side, which is 4. The next one is 6 and 4 is 10. And greater than the third side, which is 7. And the sum of the two sides of this triangle is 11. And it is also greater than to the third side, which is 6. Therefore, using these objects, we can make or construct a triangle. Next example. I have here 3 inches chalk, 4 inches pencil, and 5 inches marker. Do you think that we can make a triangle out of these objects? Let's find out. Okay, the sum of the two sides, which are 3 and 4, is 7, which is greater than the third side, which is 5. The next one, the sum of the two sides, which is 3 and 5, is 8. It is also greater than by the third side, which is 4. And last, the sum of 4 and 5, which is 9, is also greater than 3. Therefore, we can form a triangle out of these objects. Next example. I have here 2 inches paper clip, 3 inches fastener, and 5 inches pencil. Now, to determine if we can make or construct a triangle using these objects, of course, we have to get the sum of the two sides and compare it to the third side. If it is greater than, therefore we can make a triangle. So 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 is greater than the third side, which is 3. Next is 3 and 5 is 8, which is greater than also to the third side, which is 2. And the last one is 2 plus 3 equals 5, and it is equal to 5. As you can see, the third one is 5 equals 5. And then remember again, to make a triangle, it must what? Okay, very good. It should be the sum of the two sides of the triangle is greater than the third side. So therefore, we cannot make or construct a triangle out of these objects. Okay, activity time. Now, you will comment thumbs up if the measurement can form a triangle and thumbs down if not. I'll give you 30 seconds to determine if we can make a triangle out of these measurements or not. So 30 seconds starts now. Okay, time's up. The answer is thumbs up. Let's check. As you can see in our table, 8 plus 6 is equal to 14, and it's greater than on the third side, which is 4. Next is 6 plus 4 is 10, which is greater than the third side, which is 8. And 4 plus 8 equals 12, which is greater than the third side, which is 6. Next, 10 centimeter, 9 centimeter, 6 centimeter. 30 seconds starts now. Okay, time's up. The answer is thumbs up. Very good. So now let's check. 10 plus 9 equals 19, and 19 is greater than on the third side, which is 6. 9 plus 6 is 15, which is greater than the third side, which is 10. And 10 plus 6 is equal to 16, which is greater than the third side, which is 9. So therefore, we can make a triangle out of these measurements. Next, 9 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter. 30 seconds starts now. Okay, time's up. The answer is, okay, thumbs down. So let's check if your answer is correct. Okay, in this one, 9 plus 5 is 14, and 14 is greater than 3. And then 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 is what? Less than, no, greater than by the last side, which is 5. And 5 plus 3 is equal to 8, and it is less than to 9. So therefore, we cannot make a triangle out of these measurements. Next, did you know that when two triangles are joined along the sides of the same length, another polygon is formed? And that polygon is what we call quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is a closed figure with 4 sides, 4 angles, and 4 vertices. Let's have another activity. I'll give you 5 seconds to press yes if the given figure is a quadrilateral and no if not. Let's have the first figure, signage. Very good. The answer is yes. Next, a kite. Very good. The answer is yes, it is a quadrilateral. Next object, a frame. That's right. The answer is no, or it is not a quadrilateral. Fourth one, a door. Very good. The answer is yes. This door is a quadrilateral. And last one, plastic hanger. Okay, very good. The answer is no. It is not a quadrilateral. Remember, an angle is a figure formed by the two rays called the side of the angles and a common endpoint called the vertex. To name the angle according to its measure, acute angle measures less than 90 degrees, right angle measures exactly 90 degrees, and an obtuse angle measures greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Also remember, a triangle is a closed figure with three sides, three angles, and three vertices. The sum of the length of the two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. And lastly, a quadrilateral is a closed figure with four sides, four angles, and four vertices. If you don't have any questions, this is your activity at home. Answer what's more on lesson 4 and lesson 5. Checking of your activity will be done by your discussion teacher. So this ends our discussion for graders. I hope you learned a lot today by discussing angles, triangles, and quadrilateral. I'm so glad and thankful for your active participation. Again, I am your Math Facebook Live teacher, John Kenneth B. Oribiana, saying mathematics gives us hope that every problem has a solution. See you again in our next discussion, grade 4. Goodbye.